Ndongoi cia ikanisa va Kenya ungu mwavuli wa NCCK nisyamwenda vanene Womboi wa Nyumba utwaiiwe kithekani cha Portland kila Athi River kauntini ya Masaku. Matongoewe mwenekivila wa Timothy Ndambuki Ndongoi nisyamwenda musumbi Dr. William Ruto Aungamye Womboi maiweta uendete uvathukanu na aki sya mwenenthi.
Atongoi ya mama kanisa Matongoewe ni Archbishop Dr. Timothy Ndambuki undumwe na Bishop wa Diocese ya Masaku kanisani wa Katoliki Norman Kingo ni makosoa vanene itambio ya serikali kuendea na kuomboya enenthi miako yo alamethito matuite kithekani kila kinangusanisyo cha Portland maiweta kana kuomboa kwa nyumba isu cia enenthi ni uvathukanu na miao ila ikatibani kanthi ya Kenya.
The ongoing demolitions and evictions in Mavoko, where churches have been desecrated, learning institutions like schools totally halted, and personal property crushed into rumbles in complete violation of the law and against biblical teachings, which is tantamount to blasphemy. 3, that the demolitions are a violation of human rights and against international law. 4th, in line with the Constitution of Kenya 2010, that Article 1, that the territory of Kenya is divided into counties specified in the 1st century.
That is the issue that we have been addressing, heartbreaking, to see families, to see children kicked out of their homes and with nowhere to go, and with no other hope. And that's why we took time to talk about it and request the government, to come or to appreciate the suffering of these people. This is our country. And they could have been dealt with in a more humane manner. You don't just unleash, bulldozers, condone the place as if it's a war zone. And yet we are Kenyans. And that is our concern, that the land, and as it has been put, people have settled there for a long, long time, with the government and all the parties involved aware of it, and doing this to people is heartbreaking, to say the least.
Yu ni mamukule musumbi wa nthi ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto kwithukisya kiyo cho na kuthinikia mathina ma enenthi asu nundu aingi mo ni maende na uthinika muno na ciana ila inaenda masukuru ni ala manaomboiwe kwitha ci thinani munene itatona kwikalila mitiani 11 kwikwa.
Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces of the Republic of Kenya should forthwith order an immediate cessation of the demolitions in the interest of national security, peace, and in an effort to solve the current humanitarian crisis in Mavoko.
Government to stop this, and because that parcel of land is quite big, resettle them and even compensate them. What else do we want them to do? These are our brothers. We are not even talking about members of our community. They are people from all across the country. They've settled there. And we are talking on behalf of those people who can't say much for themselves and are depressed. That the government, and it has the ability to resettle them, compensate them, and we can live for the sake of peace in this area.
Daniel Mwankela, Atongoi TV, kumuvanza wa mwako wa White House kauntini ya Masaku.